everyone, this is Zaki and welcome to epicrecipe. So let's cook today one very interesting, simple but amazingly tasty dish. And for this, first we need boneless chicken. Actually this dish is a good combination of chicken and some veggies. So first we need chicken, and you need to cut chicken into small and thin pieces, something like this. First we need to marinate the chicken. Cream, a little bit your favorite chicken masala, mix it very well. Keep it aside for 15-20 minutes, and now we are going to roast some vegetables. Oil, ghee or butter you can use as per your choice. Beautiful roasted color. It's done now. Keep aside, and now we'll roast some bell pepper. Now it's time to roast marinated chicken. Now add roasted eggplants and bell pepper.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get instant notifications of our new video upload.
Salt थोड़ा सा, black pepper, soya sauce, granite, rosemary, little bit Italian herb. Wasabi. Chicken hot salad is ready. Yes, this dish called chicken hot salad. Try this. I hope you will like, and if you like the video, please hit the like and share the recipe with your friends and your relatives. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please do subscribe. Take care, stay safe, stay healthy. Desvidania.